YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Friday, December 4th, on my way to the Union Hall to pay my union dues for next year. Yeah, so I decided to take the bike. It's 40 something degrees here in Connecticut, but what the hell? No snow on the ground, gonna ride. So, been a pretty tough like week and a half, 2 weeks for me, guys. Just before Thanksgiving, I started to get like pain in my back, under my shirt, in the front, right around my side. And I'm like, what the heck is going on here? Every time my shirt rubbed on my side, it hurt. And then a rash started coming out. And by last weekend, I realized that Carl had the shingles, and oh my god, so painful. This week has been so tough. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you how painful it was. 2 weeks ago, if you would have said, hey, did you get the shingles vaccine? I'd have said, are you crazy? I ain't getting that. But as of today, when this heals up, I'm gonna go get it because I don't want to get it again. I would share a picture of it with you guys, but I don't want you unsubscribing. It's like the nastiest thing you can see. Believe it or not, alright, I'm the most comfortable out here sitting on this bike. My arms are kind of out. If I sit in a chair and my back leans against something, whatever those spots where the breakout is touches, it's so painful. Like they say, I guess it's like having just open nerves wherever that rash is, and sleeping is really tough. So you guys don't want that crap, let me tell you. So 2 weeks ago I would have told you, I don't get it, but after having the shingles now, I would get the vaccine. And I think I'm fairly young. I mean, I'm not even 50, I'm almost 50, but who knows? So anyway, back to motorcycling. I started to shoot a video for the project bike. I wanted to I was taking the fairings and the tank and everything off, and I was going to do a little touch-up paint on the tank because I bought a kit from Touch Up Direct. And let me tell you guys something, not everything goes as planned. The video didn't come out that great that I was making, and then I tried to do the touch-up paint, and let me tell you, I experimented with the paint off the tank first to see if the color looked good. Everything looked good off the tank, and I started on the tank, and not everything goes the way you hope or plan, guys. Just know that shit happens sometimes. So yeah, what happened is it went south fast, and it really looked terrible. I'm gonna tell you, when I was done messing it up, my project bike looked like it had shingles. So it was pretty damn funny. I decided that I was gonna take the tank and the fairing that needed the most work down to the auto body shop that I use, and I went in and I saw the guy, and I said to him, I says, oh, do you think you could repair this tank, do some touch up on it without repainting the whole thing, because I can't easily get the decals for it and everything. And he took one look at the tank and he says, who the F tried to fix this? They really F this thing up bad. And I looked at him and I go, yeah, that guy did a terrible job. I don't know what he was thinking. And then we were talking and everything. He took the tank, he took that. And at the end of the conversation, I said to him, I says, just so you know, it was me with doing the touch-up. And he says, yeah, I know. I want to see if you'd admit to it. So, not everything goes the way you plan or hope, but you just got to roll with it. And when you start a job, you hope everything goes right, but just know, hey, this could end up costing me a couple of bucks. You always got to be willing to, especially with paint and stuff like that. I was willing, when I started to try to do a little touch up, I was willing to, if I had to, pay somebody to do the touch up on the tank. So really didn't hurt my feelings that much. It was a learning experience. Stay the hell away from doing anything with paint. I just think working on a bike is kind of a hobby of mine, so I don't mind doing stuff and making mistakes and learning, and that's why I do these videos, and I hope everybody enjoys them, because I definitely enjoy making them, and definitely have a lot of people commenting, and you know, a lot of people have subscribed. Really makes me feel good, and I want to keep doing this stuff. So I'm really hoping that the pain goes away with my shingles here, because it's been really bad, and the doctor's outlook wasn't that great for me either. When I went in, he says, oh, he looked, he goes, oh, the worst is yet to come. And I'm like, well, how long is this gonna last? He says, you know, I can't tell you. He said it could be weeks, it could be months. He says some people have pain for years. So that was kind of heartbreaking. I hope it gets better before it gets worse, though. I'll keep you guys posted. Here I am at the IBEW 488 Union Hall to pay my union dues. No, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.